Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Python course. Whether you're a student or a professional, this course is designed to take you from beginner to advanced Python programming. We start with the introduction to Python. In the first 50 videos, you'll get comfortable with the basics, setting up your environment, understanding Python syntax, variables, data types, operators, and expressions. You'll learn about control flow with if, for, and while statements, and how to handle functions, modules, and errors. We'll dive into file handling, data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, and wrap up with a simple project to apply what you've learned. Next, we move to intermediate Python. From videos 51 to 150, you'll explore list comprehensions, generators, and Lambda functions. We'll cover advanced topics like decorators, object-oriented programming, inheritance, and polymorphism. You'll also learn about regular expressions, working with dates and times, virtual environments, package management, and handling CSV, JSON, and XML files. We'll introduce you to testing and debugging techniques, working with APIs, web scraping, and GUI programming, culminating in an intermediate project. In advanced Python, from videos 151 to 300, we'll delve into advanced OOP concepts, metaprogramming, concurrency, and parallelism. You'll explore Asyncio for asynchronous programming, advanced data structures, memory management, network programming, image and audio processing, and data analysis with pandas. This section also includes advanced topics in data visualization, numerical computing with NumPy, and a data analysis and visualization project. For those interested in web development with Python, videos 301 to 450 cover everything from Flask and FastAPI to Django and full-stack development. You'll learn to build RESTful APIs, integrate third-party services, handle web security, and deploy Python applications. This section includes multiple projects to solidify your learning. Big data and data engineering with Python spans videos 451 to 600. You'll start with an introduction to big data, explore the Hadoop ecosystem, and learn PySpark for big data processing. We'll cover data pipelines, data warehousing, ETL processes, and working with NoSQL databases, culminating in a big data project. Our machine learning with Python section, from videos 601 to 800, covers everything from data preprocessing to advanced machine learning techniques. You'll learn about supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, time series analysis, and reinforcement learning. We'll also discuss model deployment and MLOps, with multiple projects to apply your skills. Finally, special topics and advanced projects in videos 801 to 1000 cover a wide range of advanced Python applications. You'll learn about geospatial data, Python for finance, bioinformatics, network analysis, IoT, performance optimization, graph databases, blockchain, and quantum computing. We'll also discuss advanced testing, ethical considerations in AI, and career pathways for Python developers. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of Python and its applications in various fields. Let's get started on this exciting journey together.